Okay, with the help of the formula which I gave you, that is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, let us proceed to solve the numerical which was asked in ISC 2020. Okay, the latest examination question I am dealing with. The question reads, a lens of focal length 20 centimeter forms an inverted image. Now this is important, inverted, okay, image at a distance 60 centimeter from the lens. Now this is image at a distance from the lens. That means this is nothing but V. So the image distance is equal to 60 centimeter. Now since we have learned the sign convention, you should be careful which sign to choose for the 60 centimeter. Okay. Now if it is inverted, the image will always be on the other side of the object. So it will be on the right side of the lens. So right side we don't take it as negative, we always take it as positive. So V for you will be plus 60 centimeter. How did we find out that it is plus? By looking at this inverted term. Okay. Now again one more thing, a lens of focal length, okay, that is f in the question is equal to 20 centimeter. Now here focal length also has to be taken negative or positive according to the sign convention. Now again this is the keyword, inverted. So this is the term which will enable you to find out whether it is convex or a concave mirror. You know that a concave mirror never forms a real and inverted image. So this lens has to be convex, and you know focal length for a convex lens is plus 20. Okay, it is plus. Now number 1, identify the lens. Very easy. By looking at the nature of the image, we could easily identify the lens. Which lens is it? It is a convex lens. So here is your answer to part 1, that is convex lens. Second one, how far is the object from the lens? So here the object distance has been asked. That means you need to find out u. What is u? Okay. Now for this second part, I will use the lens formula. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay. Now I will replace the values with the signs. 1 by v is 60 minus 1 by u is what you should find out, is equal to 1 by 20. Now solving it, I can bring this 1 by 20 here. 1 by 60 minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by u, taking this on the other side, or I can write 1 by u is equal to, LCM of these two will be 60, 1 minus 3, okay. So 1 by u will be equal to, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 by 60, which will be minus 1 by 30. I'll continue here. So 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by, don't forget this sign. That means u will be just the reciprocal of it. So it will be minus 30 centimeter. Now you need not worry if you are getting a negative sign here. It naturally means that u is, that is the object is at a distance 30 centimeter towards the left of the lens. Okay, because the v is positive, okay, the u can be negative because u always lies on the left side of the lens. Okay, now let's proceed to the third one. Find the magnification. Now magnification, there are two formula: the size of the image by the size of the object, or because the size of the image objects are not given here, you can use the other formula, v divided by u. Okay, so I will be using this formula to find m. M is equal to, v is, okay, plus 60, u is, don't forget to put the sign, 30 minus 30, cancel it, you will be getting m is equal to minus 2. Now what does this minus 2 mean? Minus 2 means, look at the number, it is greater than 1. That means image is magnified. If you get a number Greater than 1 for the magnification, it means that the image has been magnified. But if you get a number less than 1, that means the image has been diminished. If you get a value equal to 1, that means object, image are of the same size, okay? Now this negative sign will help you to find out whether the image is inverted or erect. Now this minus means it is inverted, which was also mentioned by the question, isn't it? So image is magnified as well as inverted. So this is your solution for ISC 2020 question that was asked this year, okay? Pause the video, you may copy it down. Alright? Alright, now let us proceed to solve the question that was asked in ICSE 2019. The question reads, an object is placed at a distance 24 cm in front of a convex lens. So your object distance u is equal to 24 cm, but it is in front, that means you have to put a negative sign, okay, of a convex lens of focal length 8 cm. So no need to worry here, focal length, it is a convex lens, so directly you can put plus 8 cm, okay. Now, the first question reads, what is the nature of the image? Okay, the nature of the image, since it is a convex lens, the focal length is 8 cm and the object is at a distance 24 cm. So the object is placed beyond 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So it is placed beyond 2f1. So if an object is placed beyond 2f1 of a convex lens, the nature of the image will be real, inverted and diminished. Alright. Now, answer for this one is real. If it is real, it has to be inverted and it is diminished. The reason? The object is placed beyond 2f1 because f is 8, 2 times 8 would be 16. And the object is placed at a distance 24, where 24 will be greater than 16, okay. Now, the second part, calculate the distance of the image from the lens. So, the distance of the image from the lens, that means the question has asked you to find out V. What will be V? Very easy, we can use the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So, 1 by V will minus 1 by u is minus 24, be careful here, is equal to 1 by plus 8, okay. So 1 by v minus minus plus 1 by 24 is equal to 1 by 8. On solving this, you will get v is equal to plus 12 centimeters. So image is formed at a distance 12 centimeters towards the right of the lens. Okay. And the third one, find the magnification. I'll do it here. Number 3. Magnification, the formula, either you can put it as I by O or you can put it as B by U. I can't put this one because I don't know the size of the object or the image, but I know this B and U. So N will be equal to B by U, where B is 12 and U is minus 24. 2 times, so it is minus half. Okay. Now from here also it is evident what type of image will be formed. Okay. Minus means image is inverted. Half, because it is less than 1, image is diminished. And also because it is inverted, the image has to be real. So for number 1, if you don't remember that chart, okay, you can also find it out by the value of magnification. So this is also an answer to number 1. Is it clear? So we have solved 2020 ICSE and 2019 questions. Likewise, you can refer your book and solve the rest of the numericals. Alright, good luck. Thank you.